Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to see how to configure a predefined narration formula in the journal voucher entry. To begin, navigate to the menu bar and open the journal voucher configuration window. Select the required configuration and move to the Other Options section. Here, you will find the option to define the narration formula. You can create the narration formula using the fields available in the field list accordingly. Once the narration formula is properly defined, save the changes. Now, let's get back to the journal voucher entry window and initiate a new entry. As you can see, while passing the entry, the narration is automatically populated based on the predefined narration formula configured earlier.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.